I have a very middle classy habit of collecting soaps to whichever hotel or resort I'm staying at. So, yeah, these are all the soaps that I think I've collected in the past 1 year. So, but then the thing is, using these very small soaps on a daily basis can be a real big problem. So, I just wanted to do something with that. Let's see. So what I've done here is I have removed every soap from its wrappers. See how many wrappers I've got here. It's like a khichdi of all kind of soap of all types, all colors. Medimix is also there. The Oyo soap is also there. Now let's get into the next step. So what I'm doing is I've taken a big pan like this, fill it with 1/4 of water, and when the water starts to boil, I'm going to place this saucepan with all the soaps into this, and I'm going to melt all the soaps. This is basically called the double boiler method. Now as you can see that a lot of it has started melting. These are the harder ones, that's why it's taking more time, but whatever has melted, I'll put it in one shape and then I'll try to melt the rest of it. So this is a mold that I have got from Amazon. I'll link it, but I'll just transfer the mold into my favorite shape. So this is the one soap that I ended up with. Now I will refrigerate this for at least 2 to 3 hours and then I'll show you how it turns out. So it's been more than 2 hours and you can see the soap has become solid now. Um, yeah, let me take this out and show it to you guys. So this is the final soap. I just took it out of this mold. It looks quite funny, and yeah, it's of a beautiful brown color. I think the brown has become the final color because the green, the orange, and a lot of other soaps that were together. So yeah, this is how you can ultimately get a proper usable soap from all those waste tiny soaps that is very difficult to use.